Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the phone down to avoid taps or damage. Once off, remove the case and any screen protector if loose. This makes cleaning easier and prevents trapped debris. Use a bright light and inspect for cracks, glued grime, or oily fingerprints so you know which tools to use. Make sure to wash and fully dry your hands first to avoid reintroducing oils, and lay the phone on a soft microfiber surface to protect edges while you prepare cleaning supplies. You should use a 70% isopropyl solution or a screen-safe cleaner and a lint-free microfiber cloth. Spraying fluid onto the cloth prevents seepage into ports. First, gently pat stubborn spots for a few seconds to loosen oils, then wipe in smooth, straight strokes from top to bottom to reduce streaking. Once done, flip the cloth to a dry side and buff with light pressure. Make sure to avoid paper towels or household cleaners, because they can strip oliphobic coating. Once the screen looks clear, let it air dry a minute and then reassemble the case or apply a fresh protector. Reattach only when completely dry to prevent trapping moisture. Power the phone on and test touch response, Face ID, or fingerprint to confirm normal function. If streaks or sticky residue remain, repeat cleaning with a fresh microfiber cloth and slightly more solvent but less pressure. If scratches or unresponsive areas persist, stop and consult a repair service to avoid worsening damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.